Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are very good. So students, this is your science class. So take out your book. We are going to start chapter 9 light. So open page number 83, chapter 9 light. Okay? Light. What is light? Light is that helps us to see things clearly. Okay? In this chapter, here are two pictures. We can see all things clearly in the picture 1, but in the picture 2 we can't see all the things clearly because here is a dark and here is the light. So light helps us to see things clearly. Okay, this pictures during the day because sun is here. It shows the picture of during the day. Sun is the natural source of light during the day. Okay students, but here is dark because means here is no any light. Okay, light helps us to see all things clearly. Okay students, now sources of light. What are sources of light? Anything that gives out light and helps us to see is called sources of light. There are two types of sources light: natural sources of light and human made sources of light. The sun is the natural sources of light during the day. Okay, we can see all things clearly during the day by sun. The sun is the natural source of light, but where is has not light. Okay, we need to human made sources. Okay, there is dark, we need to human made sources. Now what is called human made sources? Okay, how can we see in the dark? We need human made sources such as CFL, bulb, torch, lantern, table lamp, etc. helps us to see in the dark. It is called human made sources. Okay students, now the objects. The types of objects, sources of light. There is a luminous objects, non-luminous objects, transparent objects and opaque objects. Okay students, here are the objects that gives light are called luminous objects such as bulb, CFL, torches, lantern, table lamp, sun, moon, etc. Okay students, and the non-luminous objects which do not give light are called non-luminous objects. Okay, such as book, pencil box, wood, which have not given light, it is called non-luminous objects. Okay students, and the transparent objects. Which one is transparent objects? You can see some objects that they allow light to pass through them. Okay, in which objects light pass through them, it is called transparent objects, and some objects don't allow to pass through them, that is called opaque objects. Such as transparent objects means transparent bottles like glass, clear plastic sheets, window pane, etc. And the opaque objects do not allow to pass light to pass through them are called opaque objects like metal, book, wood, wall, cloth, fabric, etc. All are opaque objects. Okay, now features of light. What is the features of light? When you turn on light bulb, you can see the light up at once. Okay, it takes very little time. Okay, even though this time is so less that you can't measure it, even less than 100 millionth of a second. You can see the rays of sun. Okay, it takes only 8 minutes for light from the sun to reach us on the earth. Okay, thus light has a great speed. Okay students, and now let's how lights travel. Light travels in a straight line. Okay, we can prove it about with a activity. Light here, like here is the we have make a roll of papers, and one side we can point the light. Okay, when we see in the pipe of paper, we can see light clearly, but if we bend the paper, we can't see the light. It is called light travel. It is proved light travels in a straight line. Okay, students, we have already read transparent objects and opaque objects. Here is a list. Some objects are there in the second column, can see through it, means transparent objects, and cannot see through it, means opaque objects. Okay, book, we can't see through them, it is a opaque objects, cannot see. Okay, and the yes, ball, it is not transparent, we can't see through it. Pencil box, we can't see through it. Clear plastic sheet can see through it. Okay, this is transparent. Glasses, window pane, okay, it is, we can see through it. Now it is transparent object. But tiffin box is made up of metal. Okay, net can't see through it, it is opaque objects. Okay, students, now here is some pictures. We can fill the T for transparent and O for object spray. It is made up of transparent, we can see through it. Here is a oil, it is called transparent. T, that all bottles are made up of metal. Okay, we can't see through it, the light don't allow to pass through it. Okay, it is opaque. Now it is milk can, it is made up of metal. Okay, metal is opaque because light can't pass through it, it is opaque. The next one is the fish pond, made up of glass. Light pass through it, it is called transparent. The tea mug, Hayes tea mug, is made up of bone china. Okay, light can't pass through it, it is opaque. And here is bulb. Where is bulb is made up of glass, but it is milky glass. Light can't pass through it, it will be opaque. Here is a cup of glass, made up of glass. We can see the tea clearly in it. Okay, light pass came through it, it will be transparent. Okay, light right here, tree. Okay, now shadows. What is the shadow? Make different shapes with your hands. What is shadow? Shadow, when light falls on opaque objects. Okay, the light forms the shadow of the objects. Okay, when we blow any light of the opaque objects, then the opaque objects will make a shadow. Okay, students, the shadow make only the behind of the objects. Okay, look at this picture. Here is the sun and a boy. Okay, depending on the position of the sun, shadow are different shapes and size. Here is the sun. Okay, this is the morning time. Okay, this is the afternoon time, and this is the evening time. Okay, students, you can see that in the afternoon the shadow is so shorter, and the morning and the evening the shadow is your longer, because the sun is far away. Okay, far away, that the shadow will be longer, and the sun is overhead, then the shadow will be shorter. That's why, depending on the position of the sun, shadow are the different sizes and shapes. Sometimes they are bigger and sometimes smaller. Shadows are the shortest at the evening and morning, and the small shadows are the shortest at the noon, because the sun is overhead, And the sun and the shadow is longer in the morning and evening because the sun is not overhead, it is far away for us from us. Okay, shadows always from the opposite side of the source of light. You can see the sun is behind of you, the shadow is front of you. Sun is overhead and the shadow is below you. Okay students, when the light is front of you, the shadow will be behind of you. Okay students, that is your chapter is has been explained. Okay, now read this chapter thoroughly. Okay, and fill the all book work, okay, yourself. Okay, goodbye, have a nice day.